Hello friends, in this video I will be talking about the basic commands of Git. So let me start with git init. So I will go to the folder work rails ls. So I am creating a new directory mkdir my work ls. You will see my work. I'm just going inside this directory, change directory ls. Now I do not have anything. Now I will just initialize a new git repository git init. Okay, it has just initialized the empty git repository. This is the folder name. Now let me show you going work rails and my work. You will not see here because it's hidden. I'm typing control H. Now it will show you the hidden file dot git. You will see here all the changes related to git. Okay, so that's it for git init.